What's up, guys? This is my 2023 230i. Dirty. Oh. So I have a 2022 Toyota Supra, the twin turbo exhaust, the stock OEM. But as you can see, still BMW. You compare it to the 230i, it's a little bit shorter. What I'm trying to do is install this. I probably cut here and extend a little bit so it could fit. If you look at the 230i stock exhaust, it's a little bit smaller. Things like 3 compared to this one is 4, and it's only have one pipe. But it's crazy that you can see that you can put another one. Yeah, you see that right there? I mean, it is the same chassis as the M240i, which has the B58 engine. This one has the B48. So, let's see. Alright, so as you can see, the stock one was almost 4, but the inner one is like 2 and a half, while the Supra is 4. It's about almost 3 inch, almost 3 inch, yeah. 2 and a half. This one is 2. Okay. Alright. So I put the Toyota exhaust. Toyota stock exhaust. One, 2. See. That's the underneath of the car. This is the underneath of the car. See it? So they added about 3 inch pipe on the left side. Yeah. This is the stock exhaust. It's only one pipe going out. Also, we had to cut the pipe in front so we could add it because the Supra is a little bit short. Alright, I'm about to start the car. Cold start. It's only going down here on the left side. Alright, so we're gonna rev it. Now we're gonna put on sports mode. Sports. Yep, guys, so that's the Supra exhaust, Supra OEM exhaust modified to 230i.